This is Val, your tutor, and today we're going to see how to use the search engine to get to our um, um, book a flight ticket or a train ticket. Yeah, so we will be looking into how to use the search engine. I think it's pretty straightforward. I think in the past session, if you see, we saw how to use this Google search engine for different purposes, such as how to look for a meaning of a word, how to find some information on the website, or how to search for a video on the search engine, or how to find directions from one place to another. And in this video we'll be going through how to use the Google search engine to look for a particular flight company and then probably book a ticket. Okay, so first step, I just have to open one of the browser. There are three browsers I have in my system. We have Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge and Chrome. So first open a browser, any one of the browser, and on the URL space just key in your search engine. It can be www.google.com or you can type www.bing.com, but they both are search engine. As you know, Google search engine, which is www.google, is by Google company itself, whereas www.bing.com, it's from the Microsoft. Okay, but both are equally good, I would say. So here in the search box, I'm going to say, for example, I want to book a ticket using British Airways. I don't know what is British Airways website looks like, or what is the domain of the British website. So I'm just going to type the word British Airways. Once I key in the information, you can see there are plenty of links coming up on the search results. Sometimes you end up going to the third-party website. So always look for the name British Airways and also the official logo, so which means it is the right website. So you move your mouse and click on the hyperlink, which is this, either one of them. Click on it, and then it will take you to the British Airways website. And you can see that's an official logo of the British Airways website. And then coming down, you need to search for a ticket. Let's say I'm going to search for a return ticket from London, all airports, to Hyderabad. I want to go to Hyderabad, and then departing, I just click on the depart, and then probably I'm just going to choose I want to go end of this month, and then maybe coming back again maybe on the 22nd of July. And travel class, I just want to go economy. I don't have big money, so economy. If you have good money, you can go for premium economy or even business class or a first class. I'm going to choose economy for now. And passengers, I'm going to go alone, not with the family. Otherwise you can just increase adults to 2, children to 3 or 2. You can do it, but at the moment I'm going to go alone, so I'm just going to choose one adult, and I click find flights. When I choose find flights, the British Airways database is searching for the ticket, and then you can see there are plenty of options I'm getting for that particular date. I think the cheapest ticket, it's going to be one direct flight, which is 488, but if there are connecting flights which I don't want, I usually prefer a direct flight, so I go with a direct flight. And then there's one economy, there's 2 seats available. Let me click on it, and then there are 2 options. I can go with basic, standard, or probably semi-flex, flex, and fully flex. There are advantage over it. Probably you can read through them, what is the advantage of each ticket. I'll go with probably economy standard. Why? Because they're going to give me 2 checked-in bags, which is 23 kilo each, which is probably like 46 kilo. Whereas with the economy basic, I only have a handbag and 1 cabin bag, which is not good. I'm going to go with this one, economy standard. And then once you've done, I think this is probably for the return flight from Hyderabad to London, so I'm just going to choose the same economy, and then I'm going to choose the economy standard because it has 2 checked-in bag of 23 kilos each. Once I've done, I'll read through everything step by step, everything, just understand, and just say continue to seats. When you click continue to seats, it's going to show you the different seats, and even there's an additional price to it. If you don't need it, there's the option on the right side. Usually it says skip this step. I can skip it because I don't want to pay anything extra. I'm going on a budget. Now here all I have to do is my details. So I'm just going to put my name, and then my surname, and then my email address, and the country code, which is United Kingdom, and I'm going to give my office number, which is that, and I say continue to extras. So usually when I say continue to extras, probably they try and sell insurance, or probably you can book a car, you can hire a car or things like that, or probably luggages. In this case it's a luggage. They said on top of the two checked baggage if you want an additional baggage, it's going to cost me like 140. Probably I can skip that thing. I just say continue to checkout. I don't need those extra things. So the total price is £893. All I'll have to do is just click continue to checkout, and then you're getting the payment system activated. The most important thing is whenever they're asking you any personal information or your car details or even mobile number, always make sure there is a padlock on the top, or you will see an hypertext type protocol, which is HTTPS. The S stands for security as well, but in this browser I think it's not showing me the HTTPS, but there is a padlock which indicates that it's a secure website. Also you can click on this link to see is everything okay, or if you click on this one it says oh connection secure, so I think I don't have to worry about it. So it's probably looking good. So here United Kingdom, I'm just going to put some number into it, and then expiry date, and then CVV number, and then I put my address and everything, and then here it says customer paying is traveling on the flight. If I choose that, automatically my name will be coming up, but I'm booking, let's say I'm booking for my mom, then I think I have to put my mom's first name and surname and her email address and mobile number. And then once you've done this, all you have to do is you click I agree and then choose pay now. So that is how you book a ticket. Once you click pay now, automatically the payment will go through. Sometimes they might have an extra verification where they will probably send you a text message from a banking company, like for example HSBC or Barclays, and then probably we have to do a verification if the additional verification is enabled. Usually it will happen, but otherwise the moment you click pay now, it processes the money, and then if it's successful, you'll automatically get a ticket to your email address, and that's it. Then you can print, or you can probably put it in your mobile wallet before you travel. Okay, that's end of the booking a flight ticket. If you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. Anything I need to improve, please let me know. I think I'll probably improve on my following session. Thank you.